Hi, it's Mandy Leahy from CraftyGlam.com. I am playing around with a new transfer from Chalk Couture called Sugar Cookies. It is super duper cute, and I love that it's broken up into two different transfers, so you can work on the top half and then move on to the bottom half when you're ready and not have to work super quickly to get it all done really fast. I am starting off with red Chalkology paste on this cute little kitchen mixer, and then I'm going to do white for the inside portion of the bowl, and then squeegee off the excess, put that back into the jar so we can use it on other areas. And then I'm going to use white on the recipe portion. I'm applying it with a small squeegee, and then going to use our large 4-inch handled squeegee with the handle taken off, just to get a nice smooth coverage, no lines or anything, and squeegee off the excess. For the sugar cookie section at the top, I'm going to use our elephant gray and just applying that to the entire section. You'll have to watch to the very end to see how I use our patterns on that sugar cookie section as well. So I'm just peeling it back, and now we're going to go ahead and move on to the bottom section, which is the rest of the recipe. For the majority of the bottom, I'm going to use our white Chalkology paste, so I'm applying it with our small squeegee just to get it on there, and then again use that large 4-inch handled squeegee. It just gives me a lot more coverage, and then again squeegee off the excess and make sure you get all those silkscreen areas completely covered. And I know I'm going off the screen a little bit, but I will move that up to show you guys the bottom section here where I'm going to do this cute little heart, and I'm going to use red Chalkology paste for that section there. And you can see, squeegee off the excess, make sure it's all nice and covered, and then we'll go ahead and peel that off and show you how adorable it is. It's so, so cute. And these transfers are reusable, so you can use them again and again and again and get several projects made out of it. Now I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here up at the top. First, you got to make sure it's nice and blow dried. When you're working with layers, you don't want to apply a transfer when it's still wet because you'll just pull up the paste again. So I have used our patterns transfer, and it's the flower one there that comes with like 6 different patterns, which I love. I went ahead and put the pattern down first, and then I put our sugar cookies transfer back over the top of it, and I'm working in just that small section there that covers that pattern. And now I'm just going to move it over. And I didn't peel up the entire transfer just because it's already lined up nicely. We're just going to move in sections, get those flowers on that elephant gray, and it just creates a cute little effect here. Now I'm going to turn that transfer upside down, so I'm just putting the white there only because that red is still kind of wet and I don't want it to bleed through and ruin the rest of the project. Now we're going to finish off this cookies, and I'll show you guys the end result. And let's peel it all back. I'm just touching up that white area because a little bit of the red did move over. And let's check it all out. Here's a close-up for you and the completed project.